choosing the right Gamo Air Rifle can turn frustrating shooting sessions into consistently satisfying ones. Welcome to the channel, where you'll discover 5 impressive options built to deliver precision, reliability, and lasting value. Stay with us until the end, then check the links in the description to find the model that matches exactly how you like to shoot. Starting our countdown at number 5, losing momentum is one of the easiest ways to lose accuracy. Every pause to reload breaks your concentration, and by the time you're ready again, the moment may already be gone. That's where the Gamo Swarm Viper Air Rifle makes an immediate impression. Its 10-shot magazine combined with the Gen 3i loading system keeps fresh pellets cycling quickly, allowing you to stay focused on your target instead of your rifle. The gas piston power plant replaces the feel of a traditional spring with a smoother shooting cycle that reduces vibration and creates more consistent performance, while Whisper Maxxim technology helps lower report for a more comfortable shooting experience. Here's a useful buying tip. Gas piston systems can remain cocked longer than conventional spring designs without the same concerns about spring fatigue. The compromise is that a repeating magazine introduces a little more mechanical complexity than a basic single-shot platform. Even so, if quick follow-up shots and convenience matter most, this rifle provides an excellent starting point before the next contender approaches the challenge from a completely different direction. Holding the number 4 position, raw speed means very little if your shots refuse to stay consistent. Sometimes slowing things down actually makes you a better shooter. The Gamo Big Cat 1250 air rifle embraces that philosophy with a straightforward single-shot design that encourages careful shot placement instead of rushed follow-ups. Its precision-rifled steel barrel and included 4 power scope help establish solid shooting fundamentals, while the synthetic stock delivers dependable handling in a lightweight package. Here's something many shooters overlook. Single-shot rifles naturally encourage deliberate practice, often helping improve consistency faster than repeating systems because every shot demands greater attention. Naturally, reloading after each shot requires more time, especially during extended practice sessions. If dependable accuracy and uncomplicated operation rank above rapid-fire convenience, this rifle deserves serious consideration. The next model, however, introduces an entirely different experience by refining the shooting cycle itself. Sliding into the 3rd spot is the Gamo Swarm Fusion Air Rifle. Accuracy can quietly disappear even when your sights stay perfectly aligned. Excess vibration, unnecessary recoil, and excessive noise all chip away at consistency over time. This rifle tackles those hidden problems from several angles at once. Its gas piston system works alongside the recoil-reducing rail to create a steadier shooting experience while helping protect the mounted scope from repeated shock. The Gen 3i magazine keeps follow-up shots flowing smoothly, and Whisper Fusion technology noticeably reduces report, making longer practice sessions easier to enjoy. Here's a valuable buying insight. An adjustable trigger lets you fine-tune the break to suit your shooting style, something a fixed trigger simply cannot match. The trade-off is that its additional features create a more sophisticated platform than simpler break barrel designs. If this combination feels like the right fit, you'll find links to every rifle featured today waiting in the description below. Even with all of those strengths, our next rifle raises the overall experience another level. Coming in at number 2, one small interruption can completely change an otherwise perfect shooting session. Constantly stopping to reload may seem minor until it repeatedly breaks your rhythm. The Gamo Swarm Maxxim air rifle answers that frustration with a 10-shot break barrel system that keeps you shooting longer before needing another reload. Its gas piston power plant delivers a smoother cycle than traditional spring systems, while the adjustable 2-stage trigger allows you to tailor the feel for greater consistency. Whisper Maxxim technology further enhances the experience by reducing noise without sacrificing performance. Here's another useful tip. A properly adjusted trigger often contributes more to practical accuracy than simply chasing higher velocity numbers. Of course, The repeating mechanism introduces slightly more complexity than a conventional single-shot rifle. Even so, if your goal is combining speed, quieter operation, and refined shot control into one package, this model earns its high ranking. Still, one final rifle blends power and capability into the strongest overall performer in today's lineup. Claiming the #1 position is the Gamo Swarm Magnum air rifle. Outstanding performance isn't defined by velocity alone. It's about delivering that power while keeping every follow-up shot smooth, consistent, and ready when you need it most. The Gen 3 magazine automatically loads the next pellet using recoil, helping maintain your shooting rhythm from start to finish. Its Mach 1 gas piston generates impressive power, while the recoil-reducing rail helps protect your scope by absorbing much of the transmitted shock. Whisper fusion technology completes the package by reducing noise, making extended shooting sessions more enjoyable. Here's one final buying tip. A recoil-reducing rail can help preserve optic stability over time compared with more rigid mounting systems. The only notable compromise is that increased power generally requires a little more effort when cocking the rifle. For shooters looking for speed, substantial power, quieter operation, and dependable follow-up performance, this rifle earns its place at the top of the ranking with an exceptionally capable all-around package. After comparing every contender, however, our winner is the Gamo Swarm Fusion Air Rifle. Although it finished third in the ranking, its outstanding balance of quieter performance, smoother gas piston operation, adjustable trigger, dependable 10-shot magazine, and recoil-reducing rail creates the strongest overall experience for the broadest range of shooters. The Swarm Magnum is the clear choice if maximum power leads your priority list. Swarm Maxxim delivers an impressive blend of speed and refinement. Big Cat 1250 rewards shooters who appreciate straightforward simplicity, while Swarm Viper stands out for fast follow-up convenience and ease of use. You'll find links to every rifle featured in the description below. Let us know which model would earn a place in your collection, or share your experience if you've already spent time behind one of them. Every great shot begins with the right rifle, and every smarter choice makes the next shooting session even more rewarding.